Ever pondered over the art of creating a simple yet scrumptious chicken pasta in just one pot? Well, the process is as delightful as the dish itself. Imagine a pot, your culinary canvas, waiting to be filled with vibrant colors and flavors. The first stroke comes from olive oil, its golden hue shimmering as it coats the base of the pot. This isn't just a lubricant for cooking, it's the foundation of flavor. Next, the sound of sizzling fills the air as diced onions and minced garlic hit the hot surface. They're not just ingredients, they're the aromatic duo, bringing a sweet and spicy symphony to your one-pot masterpiece. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the chicken. Sautéed until it turns a beautiful golden brown, the chicken not only adds a robust flavor, but also infuses the oil with its essence, creating an amalgamation of taste that is simply irresistible. Once the chicken is perfectly cooked, it's time for a splash of white wine. It's like a little culinary magic, deglazing the pot and pulling all those delicious caramelized bits off the bottom. It's not just wine, it's an elixir that enhances the flavors and adds a hint of sophistication to your dish. Next, uncooked pasta joins the party, along with chicken broth. The pasta absorbs the broth as it cooks, soaking up every bit of flavor in the pot. It's not just pasta, it's a sponge, ensuring each bite is packed with taste. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches. A handful of spinach for a pop of color, and a sprinkle of parmesan for a touch of creaminess. They're not just garnishes, they're the final layers of flavor, bringing everything together in a beautiful harmony of taste and texture. Cooking chicken pasta in one pot is not just about simplicity. It's about creating a symphony of flavors in a single vessel. Each ingredient gets a chance to shine, their flavors melding together to create a dish that is greater than the sum of its parts. The one-pot method not only simplifies the cooking process, but also ensures every bit of flavor is captured and nothing is lost. It's a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the power of flavor. So, the next time you're in the mood for a delicious chicken pasta, remember, all you need is one pot, a handful of ingredients, and a little bit of culinary creativity. Enjoy the process, savor the dish, and remember, great cooking is about more than just recipes, it's about celebrating the joy of flavors.